Flavored Juul pods are disappearing from vape store shelves across the country. A quick Twitter search for mango pods reveals people are struggling to find their fix. It's as if the citizens of Vape Nation have had their passports to flavor country revoked. This is all because Juul is actually doing what it said it would do. According to Juul, the company hasn't sold a single flavored pod to a brick-and-mortar store since November. To preempt possible FDA regulations in mid-November, Juul released its action plan, where it describes steps it would take to keep kids from getting hooked. Juul said it will stop selling its flavored pods to retailers until they implement a system that electronically scans government-issued IDs. But neither Juul nor the FDA is clear on what that system would look like. And Juul tells us that of the 90,000 retail stores that sell Juul pods, 0 have adopted the new scanner. One of the largest vape shops in America, Avail Vapor, told us its warehouse recently ran out of flavored pods, and another store in New York told us that they saved for the flavor winter by buying pods in bulk before the new rules took effect. Other stores told us they were waiting for the FDA to weigh in before adopting any new ID scanning system. Having some of your best-selling products pulled off the shelves may seem like a big setback, but that didn't stop Altria, the multi-billion-dollar tobacco conglomerate behind Marlboro, from paying $12.8 billion for 35% of the company last month.
Let's imagine the combination of Juul's leading market position, brand equity, and deep innovation pipeline with our strong retail presence, our ability to connect directly with adult smokers, and our deep regulatory affairs expertise.
Basically, Juul's handing over a slice of the market that's about to overtake cigarettes in return for Altria's international distribution network and experience battling regulators, which they'll need. The FDA Commissioner Scott Gottlieb says his agency isn't slowed down by the government shutdown and expects to release the final rules for Juul within a month. The FDA just said that teen vaping represents, quote, an existential threat to the entire product category. Altria seems to think so too.
Youth usage of e-vapor products is a big problem that needs to be resolved. And if it's not resolved, it's going to put the whole category at risk, including for adult cigarette smokers.